Today we're going to be attaching and wiring the headlights. So in the meantime, while I'm getting ready to get this car out on a weekend, I wanted to go ahead and jump on something else. And so I'm going to tie in the headlights and then talk a little bit more at the end here. So the headlights are, working fine. Everything's good. One of the things that I was kind of mentioning earlier is that I wanted to kind of wait until the weekend before I take the car out. One is things are a little bit quieter during the weekend here. And the other thing is I need a little bit of a support team. So if the car stalls, I need to get it back into the garage, and I can't do that on my own. The other thing is you got to remember, I don't have any windows or windshields or anything like that. So if the car does stall and I need to park it, it's not like I could lock it and feel okay about it sitting somewhere. It's just raw sitting out there. And if there's any time for someone to try to hotwire the car, hey, look, all the wires are exposed. Here it is. I'm just, rambling crazy thoughts here. But I always like to feel a little bit more comfortable having more people around when I go do stuff like that, especially it's my first time out in the car. So yeah, I think the next video, that's what we'll do. And hope that we can get around the block flawlessly. We'll see how it goes. Until next time, have a great day.